Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have a toddler at home, you might be wondering, when is the right time to start introducing math concepts? Well, the answer might surprise you. You don't need flashcards or complicated workbooks. In fact, you can start teaching the foundations of math today, just by playing and interacting with your little one. In this video, I'm going to share some super simple, fun, and effective ways to bring math into your toddler's world. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about counting. This is the most basic math skill, and you can practice it everywhere. When you're climbing stairs, count each step aloud: 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're giving them snacks, like crackers or grapes, count them out as you put them on their plate. Here's 1 cracker, here's 2, and here's 3. You can count their fingers and toes during bath time or diaper changes. The key is to make it a natural part of your conversation. Repetition is your best friend here. The more they hear you count things in their environment, the faster they'll start to understand the concept of numbers. Next, let's move on to shapes. Shapes are everywhere. You can start by pointing out simple shapes around your house. A plate is a circle, a book is a rectangle, a window might be a square. Use your hands to trace the shape and say its name clearly. Look, this block is a square. You can get shape sorting toys, which are fantastic for this, as they try to fit the star into the star-shaped hole. They're not just developing fine motor skills. They're learning about spatial awareness and geometry in a very hands-on way. You can even make it a game, like can you find something that's a circle? It turns your living room into a fun little scavenger hunt. Another great concept to introduce is sorting. Toddlers naturally love to organize things, so let's lean into that. You can use their toys for this. Ask them to put all the red blocks in one pile and all the blue blocks in another. Or you can sort by size. Let us find all the big cars and all the small cars. Laundry time is another perfect opportunity. You can ask your toddler to help you sort socks or put all the small towels in one pile. This helps them learn to categorize and notice attributes like color, size, and type, which is a fundamental skill for more complex math later on. Let's not forget about patterns. Patterns are all about prediction, which is a key mathematical skill. You can start simple. When you're playing with blocks, create a simple pattern like red, blue. Red, blue. Then ask them what comes next, even if they don't get it right away. You're exposing them to the idea of sequence and order. You can do this with snack time to a slice of apple, then a slice of banana, apple, banana. Music and songs are also full of patterns. Clapping a simple rhythm together is a fun way to feel and understand patterns. Finally, let's talk about comparing quantities. Using words like more and less, this can be easily done during playtime or mealtime. You might say, look, mommy has more crackers than you, or you have less juice in your cup now. Hold up to groups of toys and ask, which pile has more blocks? This helps them start to grasp the concept of quantity and comparison. You don't need to get into the exact numbers yet. Just using the language of comparison is a huge first step. It builds a foundation for understanding addition and subtraction down the road. So there you have it. Counting steps, finding shapes, sorting laundry, creating patterns, and comparing snacks. These are all simple, playful ways to build a strong math foundation for your toddler without any pressure or stress. The most important thing is to keep it fun and engaging. You are your child's first and best teacher. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more parenting tips and fun activity ideas. Let me know in the comments which one of these you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.